¿Qué pincho la iglesia?
Sí. Espérese. Ahí va. Ahorita va a hablar, ¿eh? 1, 2 y 3, hable.
Quiero que me lleve.
Más. Pise. Más. Ahí va.
Echa madres.
Ahí va, 1, 2 y 3, hable.
Quiero que me lleve a mi casa. O si no, chinguen a su madre, pendejos.
Inhale.
And this is legal.
So suck it all in, and then let's do a few words. Say a few words.
If I medicine.
But Vern Troyer's in the room.
If I medicine you, I'd make a brain tumor look like a birthday present.
Another balloon then.
One night I was taking a walk along the river.
Alright, here we go, right?
Do you ever want to go to space? I really shouldn't be doing this.
It's helium, Morgan. It is helium.
It's very undignified.
No.
If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.
An oven.
Well, I never get it. Why'd you run?
Emulator, right now. Go lay your ass down.